Unplug your mouse and push it off your desk. For this entire exercise, you are only allowed to touch the keyboard. Take a look at this final document. We are going to build this clean, fully formatted reference sheet of essential technology acronyms. To follow along, you need a standard Windows PC, a word processor like Microsoft Word, and a web browser. That is it. Operating without a mouse forces you to rely on direct system calls. This eliminates the travel time of your hand moving to a peripheral, allowing you to trigger actions at the speed of a keystroke. We begin with a blank slate. Hiding your active windows ensures the workspace is clear and ready for the specific applications we will be using for this build. Press the Windows key plus D to instantly hide all active windows and show your desktop. From there, hit Windows plus E to open File Explorer and access your local drives. Now open your word processor and hit Ctrl plus N to start a blank document. Next, switch to your web browser and press Ctrl plus T to open a fresh tab for research. When navigating this quickly, mistakes happen. You might accidentally press Ctrl plus W and close the active tab you were about to read. As seen in this mockup, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T snaps that closed tab back to the top of your window. This restores the exact state of the tab, meaning your browser history remains intact and research momentum continues uninterrupted. Knowing you have a safety net for rapid errors removes the hesitation from navigating your system. You can operate at maximum speed. Now we begin sourcing our definitions. Hold the Alt key and press Tab to seamlessly swap focus between your browser and your Word document. On your research page, press Ctrl plus F to open the Find tool. Type in hardware and storage to jump directly to the first section of terms. The first piece of data we need for the sheet is CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. To select this text, hold the Shift key and use your directional arrows to highlight the term and definition. Then, press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Press Windows plus V to open the Advanced Clipboard panel, storing multiple distinct blocks of copied text. Stockpile definitions in a single pass. Highlight and copy Operating System, OS, and Local Area Network, LAN, adding them to this panel before switching applications. Separating the copy action from the paste action turns your data collection into an efficient batch process. You pull everything you need first, then drop it into your document all at once. Paste your collected terms using the Clipboard Manager. Right now, the document is a dense, unformatted wall of raw text that is difficult to read. Press Ctrl plus Home to jump your cursor to the very top of the page. Next, hit Ctrl plus A to select every line of text so you can apply a clean, universal font size and style. Now, use your arrow keys to navigate down to the Networking section and select the term LAN, or Local Area Network. Watch the structural changes in this diagram. By pressing Ctrl plus B, U, and I, you instantly apply bold weight, underline strokes, and italics. If italics look cluttered, press Ctrl plus Z to undo. Ctrl plus Y redoes the action, letting you test visual options. Applying these formats directly from the keys keeps your hands anchored. You maintain the physical momentum of your workflow and avoid the cognitive break of hunting for formatting buttons with a mouse. Your document is now clean, structured, and highly readable. You have successfully built a professional reference sheet. Before doing anything else, press Ctrl plus S to save the current document and secure your work against unexpected computer crashes. To share a specific piece of information with a colleague, like the definition for Application Programming Interface, or API, use the Snipping tool. Press Windows plus Shift plus S, and as shown here, your screen dims to draw a selection box around the text. With your screenshot captured and your file saved, clean up your workspace. Press Alt plus F4 to close your active Word window, and Ctrl plus W to close your browser tabs. Think about what you just executed. You cleared a desktop, researched data, batch copied definitions, formatted a document, saved a file, and captured a screen snippet without touching a mouse once. Now it is your turn to try this workflow. Before you start, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager and audit your system's performance. Proficiency is the absence of physical friction. By replacing manual cursor movements with keyboard commands, you have synced your system's response time to the speed of your own internal workflow.